This is not the kind of video I wanted to make. I didn't want this kind of content, but life has thrown us a curveball. Today, my life became a Hallmark movie. Sounds nice. No, it's the part where you could lose the farm. It took us 18 years of renter hell to get here. And we finally did it. We scraped by. We picked amongst the cheapest because that's all we could do, but we did it. We went for it. And we were only here 6 months. And now my husband's job is gone. And he's the primary income. So that's a huge problem. Yeah. It's starting to hit me. He just told me today. It seemed like it was too good to be true. And we've been through so much. We've been through several layoffs. We've been through illnesses. We've been through all kinds of chaos. Being a millennial sucks. It's just crap hits the fan after crap hits the fan. And we finally thought, we've done it. Just barely. It needs a lot of work, But we were doing it. We were making the dream happen. We thought we were stable. We were responsible, but the repairs ate up the last of our money. But we thought we had time to recover. It'll be okay. Here we are. And we know how terrible the job market is. My husband is in a job that hasn't been real good to him. And he's been job hunting for a couple of years now, trying to get out of there. Even a lateral move would be okay. And there's just nothing. And I freelance. I do work, but I don't work full time because our child has special needs, and with that needs to be homeschooled. And so I need a more flexible schedule, and I can't work as many hours as would be preferable, but I do what I can. And things have been more lean because of all the white collar layoffs. And I've been applying. Used to be pretty easy for me to find work. It's not so easy anymore. So we've got a couple of months of paychecks that he will be getting. We have some time to try to figure this out. I say try. We're going to do everything we can. Our daughter finally has a home. We have to do whatever it takes, and we will. But we thought we had finally done it. We thought we had finally arrived. I'm 41. My husband's 44. We've been working our tails off our whole adult lives, and so much of it has been for nothing. This is not our first disaster we've been through. I put him through an unpaid internship after the Great Recession. And for the first time in the entire history of the program, was met with unprecedented layoffs, historic layoffs, had never been seen ever. And it was the first time ever in the entire history of the program that nobody got hired. It was a disaster. I was fortunate that at that time I was working full time and we were okay. This time it's a little scarier in some ways. In a lot of ways. I don't want my life to be this part of the Hallmark movie where, they finally have the dream figured out and now it's threatened. They're going to lose the farm. And then part of me is wondering, why am I even posting this to YouTube? I guess I'm just disappointed because I had started this YouTube channel wanting to do what I've seen other YouTubers do that I admire, that I enjoy their gardening content, and I wanted to join in that conversation, and I wanted to share what I know from my experience, especially to those of you that know what it's like to be in renter hell and you're trying to figure out gardening even though you don't have the grand space. So, I mean, you guys understand, I hope. I mean, those of you that know what it's like to work your tail off and things still not work out. So maybe I'm looking for validation. Maybe I'm looking for some sympathy. Because I can't tell anyone yet. It's just between my husband and I right now. You're probably sick of seeing my faces that I'm making. Being human. Having emotions. Trying to process it. Trying to make sense of it. And trying to figure out what to say on a video. Reaching out for connection when I'm just talking to a screen. I hope to see some people in the comments, but it's okay if you don't. It's okay. I get it. I don't like to comment too much either. Been there. I just really hope we're able to make this work out. In the meantime, I'm gonna try to keep posting. Try to keep sharing and educating. Try to enjoy this. Try to not cry in every video, because crying on YouTube's stupid. And here I am doing it. This sucks. Thanks for listening.